Hello guys, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with the tutorials. This is part 11 of the social network website. We are trying to create something similar to Facebook. Okay, this is a sample website. If this is your first time then this is part 11. You can go back and watch parts 1 to part 11 so that you'll be able to follow along. So we are going to continue with the tutorials. This is a sample site. In fact, let me show you something. I've added a new feature. Okay, you see, this website is all about getting a lot of resources, learning for free. Is a course community, which means that member here can learn how to design a professional website for free. They can also download templates, access course, shop, a lot of resources that they can access for free. Okay, actually it's not entirely free, but let me say it's a free because with this website we have a point system that is whereby members will be awarded points for logging in every day, for participating on the platform, like commenting, sending posts, and all sorts of things. Okay, yes, and as you're doing all those things, you'll be getting a points. Okay, good. Now as you can see, let me take you down here. This is the landing page. That's the news feed. As Facebook, we have the news feed. Okay, good. And as you can see, this is a sidebar, and this is the where you can post your, as you can see here, it says share what is on your mind, Darius Amwako. Okay, so you can share whatever you want to share here. Okay, good. But we also have sidebar here, and then under sidebar, when you go down here, we have leaderboard that shows the amount of points that each member has. Okay, some of the members, not all of them. Okay, good. And then my name is on top because yes, I can be last. How can I be last? I'm the developer of this website, so my name is on top. That is number one, the richest on this platform. Let me put it in that way. Now, so you can use these points to buy a product. It can be anything. When you go to the shop page, we have a lot of premium template and plugins and all sorts of things that you can access here. Okay, and the prices are here. We have 100 Ghana cedis. That is this 100 Ghana cedis. Okay, but it's not actually for sale. But yes, you can use your point to buy it for free. Okay, that's what all that I'm trying to say. So for instance, I already have points. If I want to pay with my points, I can do that. I can click here, and then when we go to the next page, I can go to view the carts, and under checkout, I'll be able to see the amount of money that I'm supposed to pay for that. Okay, good. So here I can now see the amount that I'm supposed to pay. That is 100 Ghana cedis. But in case I don't want to pay with physical cash, I can pay with points, and the point is what, 1,000 points. Okay, so if you want to pay with the points, you can select that and proceed with that. Okay, good. Now let's go back. So that's, you have a choice to make. Now it may happen that you don't have enough points to buy the resources from the platform, so which means that you can buy some from here, and it's not all that expensive. Okay, as you can see, it says enter the amount you want to buy here, and that is 1,000 points is equal to 5 Ghana cedis. Okay, so 1,000 points is equal to 5 Ghana cedis, so which means that you are the resources, which is around 100 Ghana cedis, you can pay just 5 cedis, 5 cedis points. You can use 5 cedis. You can buy 5 points for 5 cedis and use that points to buy the resources. That is all. Now let's move on. This is where we ended the last time. In fact, we were able to add a GIF. So right now we want to continue. And right now, what we are going to do, we are going to make it more beautiful as compared to this. It has a sidebar and everything is looking nice. If I click here and locate a picture from my platform here, I can add a picture. Let's see. Okay, so I can post this picture here, or I can post let me show you now. Okay, let's see. And if I refresh the page right now, I'll be awarded points for, yes, for posting that, and that is 5 points. I can post my own picture and all sorts of things here, but let us continue here. So we are going to add a sidebar. How do we do that? So first, let's go to customize. So we are going to add a sidebar. So here we have follow us, where we have the social icons here. So we are going to do the same. So here we have widget. So go to widget. Then we have activity left and activity right. Now when we come back here, this is our activity left and activity right. Okay, good. For us to follow along, let me open this website on a new tab. So I will enter a reader block again. Reader block. Good. And so this is the site that we are working on. I will drag it and put it here. So the sample site will be here. Good. So that here will be our reference page. Good. So first one we have on the left we have follow us. So let me go here. So left, I will cancel that, and here I can enter that and enter BB follow. Oh, why? Okay, BB follow us, this one, and let's see. So over here you have to enter the link of your social media. So here I can just enter follow us, sorry. Oh, come on, follow us. So I can enter that here, and here I have to enter the Facebook link. I'd rather put hashtag, and Twitter too. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Hash, and then let me go down. You see, before it will appear, you have to put that there before it will appear. So let's say YouTube. Let me go down. Come on. Okay, so okay, good. So Instagram, I'll put hash there, and YouTube too, I will put hash there. So which means that I've added link of those platform. And what else? Twitter, I've done that. And this one too, I will add that, making about 5 of them. I can save it. Now when I come here and refresh the page, you will see it here. So you see we have it here, and that is good. Now let us continue. What else can we see? The point system, I've not added that yet, so we have to leave that. And also leaderboard, it comes with the point system, so I have to wait for now. So we will add members. So I will come here and click the plus icon again and enter BB members. So we have BB members. Okay, good. And I will select that. So that is members. Okay, good. Now in order for the whole thing to look nice, let me show you some. Okay, let's finish with that, then I'll show you what we can do here. Okay, what else can we do? Let's go down. We have groups. Okay, though we don't have group yet, but let's add them. So here we will enter group. So that is BB groups. Okay, so we have done that, and then it says okay, so we have to allow the group title to be some kind of link. Okay, good. And how many groups that we can add? Maximum group to show is 5. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so active one is okay. So let me save it. Okay, good. Now what else can we add? And we have recent discussion. So I can also come here again and click discussion, and this is the discussion topics or discussion forum list. Okay, I will add discussion forum list. Okay, so that is It's okay. Let me save it, and let's come back here and refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see, we have group and most popular discussion. We have none. Okay, so rather I will make it, let me change it. So I will delete it from here, and I will make it forum. So forum list, I will go with the forum list. Okay, good. And that is forum list. Okay, so I will just publish that. So we have added the forum too. Let's see if there is others that we need to add. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, then you have it's finished. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, so let us continue, and let's go up here and check this. Here we have profile completion. Okay, so we are going back here. So let's go back and select right. Okay, and click here. Then you enter profile. Profile. Okay, so we have profile completion. Okay, good. It has been added. So here we can indicate the profile which need to be filled. Okay, so there's details, profile cover, profile, and that is, we will add all those things. Okay, yes, and let me click on that again. So we can also click here, so that as soon as the profile completion is 100%, it will be it will hide the details. It will hide the what do you call it, this one. Okay, for instance, as soon as let's say this person reaches 100%, then it will be taken out from here. Okay, so let me publish that. And so after that, what do we have here? The next one is who is online. So let's click on that. BB. So BB online. Let me put something like that. Okay, so who is online, and then we can also publish that. So as you can see, we have added that too, and let's continue. Okay, what else? Latest update. Okay, so the next one is latest updates. So latest updates. So it has been added, and now this is the latest update. I can publish that. What else? Let's go down here. My connections, that is my friends. Okay, so I can also click that and enter my connection. Or let me say BB my connection. Okay, so I can click that, and it has been added. Okay, so my connection, I can select this so that the link will be a title. Okay, good. Let me refresh here so that we'll be able to see all that we have done. I think it's looking nice. Now it's looking nice. Okay, we are not done. Let us continue after my connection. This is okay, so we are done. Okay, for now we are done. Okay, good. So let's come back here and refresh the page. Good. So everything is looking perfect. It's so amazing. So we are going to change the what do you call it, add our own colors. This color came with the installation of the plugin, so we are going to change that. Okay, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.